Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode's coolness one right here, and basically what this is a pet stair or a dog stair. So it basically actually uses like a little stairs for your pet to actually go up on your chair, your sofa, or whatever you guys want to use this for. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and they mention how the pet step. So first thing first, I'm actually open the product to show you guys what it actually looks like first and what's actually included inside. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So it's all nicely compressed and everything. But let's take it out. Alright, so right here with the product all nicely compressed, let's open it up and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when you guys open it up, this is basically what the product looks like. So you see how much the product expands once we take it out from the bag. But the one that we got right here is basically like a 3-step. So there's one step here, one step here. And once you guys put this part right here on top, it becomes a 3-step stairs. And for this product, they actually have it in many different sizes as well. So whether you guys want like a 4-step, 5-step, or whatever, they definitely have a lot of different options available for you guys. But this is basically what the product looks like once you guys take it out. So the cool thing about this step right here is the fact that for the cover that you guys see right here, it is removable. So if you guys want to throw it in the machine to wash it, you definitely can. If you can see in the bottom part here, they definitely have the non-slip material. So that way when you guys put it on the ground, it won't move around. But basically how you guys set up the product is by pushing this part right here. And you guys want to use the zipper right here to zip it up. So once you guys zip it up, this is basically what it actually looks like. So there's 1, 2, 3 steps right here for the stairs that you guys can see right here. And in the front right here, if you can see, they do have the logo right here. But this is basically what the product looks like in the front. Here's what it looks like on the side. Here's what it looks like in the back. And here's what it looks like on the bottom part. And like I mentioned for this product, if you guys want to throw this into the machine to wash it, you definitely can. And the way how you guys do it is by opening up the zipper right here. So you see that once we open up, this is basically what the inside looks like. So they definitely use a high density foam inside to give your pet that cushion and support. If you guys want to use it as a step, or if you guys want to use it as a bed, you definitely can. And then if you guys want to take off the cover, you can basically just take this part out and throw it in the machine to wash it. And then once you guys finish washing it, you guys can put it back together. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have the product right here. Let's test it out. Alright, so I see the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see that it does work and it's quite wow. Super easy to use the product and super easy to maintain as well. All you guys need to do is move the top part and pull the zipper to close it up. Then your pet can basically use it as a stair to get up on your chair, your sofa, or whatever you guys want to use this for. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now the answer question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys want to make it easier for your pet to actually get onto the chair, your sofa, or whatever you guys want to use the stairs for, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.